Chapter 7. Birds, Food and Nests. 1. How do birds fly? Answer. Birds fly with the help of their wings and light bones. 2. What is the difference between the beaks of a duck and a sparrow? Answer. A duck has a flat beak to catch food from water. A sparrow has a short, hard beak to eat seeds. 3. Describe the feet of wading birds. Answer. Wading birds have long legs and spread out toes to walk in water. 4. How are the claws of perching birds helpful? Answer. Perching birds have strong claws to hold branches tightly. 5. What type of beaks do vultures and owls have? Answer. Vultures and owls have strong, hooked beaks to tear flesh. 6. Describe the nest built by the weaver bird. Answer. The weaver bird makes a beautiful hanging nest with grass and twigs. It looks like a small basket. 7. How do parent birds look after their babies? Answer. Parent birds feed their babies and keep them safe and warm until they can fly.